Hey, did you know by 2030, AI could power 70% of learning tools in schools worldwide?
You mean like ChatGPT and Gemini? That's already helping students to do homework and teachers make lessons faster.
Sis, you know what? In religion, AI is making online worship easier. Even translating sermons into different language instantly. Yeah, and the live stream is so clear. It's like you're in the front row. Thanks to AI enhanced video. And the economy, companies using AI are growing 50% than those who don't.
That's why we're here, to show how AI is changing how we learn, worship, and work in the short term and the long term.
So, let's walk and talk. Welcome to AI Revolution.
In the short term, AI powered like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Quizlet can create lessons instantly. And also, teachers can save hours on doing admin tasks according to UNESCO. AI powered can reduce paperwork up to 30%.
In the long term, AI makes education open to everyone. Even kids in remote mountains can join online classes using AI translated video calls. People can study at their own pace, what we call lifelong learning. And AI tools can read text aloud for the blind students and give caption for the deaf.
In religion, the short-term effects are amazing. Remember, during the pandemic, AI assist live stream, keep churches more connected. Platform like Facebook Live uses AI to improve video and sound automatically, making worship more engaging.
AI can preserve ancient scriptures by scanning and translating them into modern languages. But there might be debates. Some groups may see AI as interfering with faith. Still, for people with disabilities, AI could give new ways to access religious services from home.
In long term, AI will create new jobs like AI trainers, robot technicians, and data ethics officers. There is a catch. Those who adopt will succeed, but those who don't left behind. Economists warn that the countries not investing in AI could fall 20% behind productivity. In the short term, AI helps companies work faster. It can analyze thousands of sales records in seconds, something that would take human days. But it also replaces repetitive jobs like data encoding, basic customer service, or factory work, which may cause job losses.
So, in conclusion, the AI revolution is more than just machines getting smarter. It's about humans making smarter choices. It can make education more inclusive, religion more connected, and economies more efficient, but only if we use it wisely.